In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to your images in Wix. Adding alt text is not only a best practice for accessibility, but it also helps search engines understand what your images are about, which can be beneficial for SEO. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Wix URL. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is essentially your hub for managing all your websites. If you have more than one site, make sure to select the website where you want to add the alt text. The next step is to click on the option that says Add Elements, which is usually located on the left-hand toolbar. This will expand a menu with various elements that you can add to your website, like text, buttons, and of course, images. If you have specific images that you want to update, this is a good time to locate them. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're assuming you want to work with images. After opening Add Elements, click on the Image option. This will take you to a section where you can either upload a new image or use one from Wix's library. If you already have the image you want to edit in your library, it's simple. Just go ahead and select it. Otherwise, click on Upload Image to bring in a new photo from your computer. Alternatively, you can select Add Image from Wix to browse their extensive library of stock photos and illustrations. Once your image is ready, the next step is to add the alt text. To do this, you'll want to click on the Settings button for the image you're working on. The Settings option allows you to tweak various attributes of your image, including its layout, proportions, and even link settings. Here is where you'll find the alt text input. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you see the option to Add Alt Text here. This is usually a text box that allows you to type in a short but descriptive piece of text about what's in the image. Make your alt text as concise and descriptive as possible. For example, instead of just writing flower, you could be more specific by saying yellow sunflower in bloom. Doing so will not only make your site more accessible to visually impaired users who use screen readers, but also help search engines index your site more accurately. Once you've entered the alt text, make sure to save your changes. It's always a good practice to preview your website to ensure everything looks and functions as it should before publishing it. Adding alt text is a small but invaluable touch that can vastly improve your website's accessibility and search engine performance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this walkthrough has helped you make your site even better.